Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Carissa and thank you for clicking on this video. So this video is going to be a kitchen drawer clean out. I have 4 drawers on this side and I also have 3 more pot drawers on the other side. So the first thing I want to do is I want to give a thank you to all my subscribers. My channel is really young and I've just gone over 50 subscribers, so I'm really happy. Yay! But I want to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel so far. It really does mean a lot to me. Getting on with the video now. This cutlery insert my husband actually made. When we bought this house, we brought a new dishwasher and the bonus was a cutlery set. I couldn't fit all the cutlery that came in it in the regular cutlery trays, so my husband actually cut this one out and put it in there and made it fit, which is really good. The only problem with it is it's that velvety material, so it collects dust like you wouldn't believe. So I'm taking that out now. I've given it a quick vacuum. I'm going to wipe out the drawer with my disinfecting spray. I'm going to continue to do this with all the drawers. The bottom drawer on this side is empty. It was meant to be a junk drawer, but I just haven't unpacked the junk drawer yet. So, hey, maybe I don't need a junk drawer, or maybe I need to take the stuff off the counter that's piling up in the corner and put it in the junk drawer. Not sure yet.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
enjoying this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know about my uploads.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Don't
video, guys. This is the last drawer. So how often do you guys clean out your kitchen drawers? Leave it in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.